Just peeled tomato. I'm going to make Lehson Chattni. Lehson is they call garlic is a lesson in Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi language. This is peeled tomato. The peeled are right here. It took like a minute to peel in the hot water. This is radish, few leaf of spinach, cilantro, garlic, pink salt, just a little bit pinch of cumin seed and black pepper. I'm going to grind that and it's ready to eat raw actually. Roma is a strong, garlic always have a strong aroma, and as well as radish also have a strong aroma. So it's delicious when it goes with curry and with bean or vegetable, eating with naan or rice. So it's delicious basically. So when I grind, then I'm going to make small.